Alright, so customer can't get into the phone, locked out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have factory reset it. We need to get it into recovery mode.
Okay.
The way we do that so we can reboot it. You're gonna hold power volume, power down. Sorry, power and volume down. We're gonna keep holding that.
Okay.
Once it turns on, when you see the logo, you're gonna do power and volume up.
Power and balling up.
So just give it a second. Wait for the logo. And then power and volume up. Just keep holding that.
Okay.
And then there you go. Once you get to recovery mode, you can see all the settings. So we're gonna go down to, the way you scroll is to volume down. You're gonna go down to where it says factory reset. You're gonna click it. And then you see shirt, yep. And that's how you do it without a computer. Boom, boom, just leave it doing its thing. That's gonna clear all the phone, get you back into your phone.
We got our own.